Welcome to MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we have a Nauticstar 2102 Legacy center console. It's powered by a Yamaha 225 outboard. You'll see at the back it has the live well, as well as bait bucket under here, but it also is outfitted for seating. Coming up to the helm, you've got your low rants, all your analog gauges, compass of course, stainless steering wheel, glove box, nice T-top setup with the canvas up top, Fusion stereo. We'll walk to the front, plenty of storage up here, plenty of bow seating as well, built-in cooler under the front console seat, storage under both of these, two more Fusion speakers. Again, this is a 2102 Legacy Nauticstar. 8-person capacity on this unit. Check this and many other used boats out at marinemax.com.